Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to insert the microSD memory card to Xiaomi Smart Camera C301. If you have your camera already paired with your device, with your phone, then what you need to do is simply turn it off. So you should be able to find it in the Mi Home, and then you can tap on the power button in order to turn it off. So I'm gonna actually turn it off over here, and you will notice that the camera goes up after that, and it reveals the memory card slot over here. So now we're gonna enter the memory card, simply put it in, just push it until it is actually fully inside. There we go, it should click slightly.
microSD 卡暂未启用，请在米家 APP 中查看 microSD card is not enabled. Please check in the Mi Home Xiaomi Home APP.
Okay, so we will need to check if the memory card usage is actually enabled, but at least we have inserted the card. So now let's turn the camera back on. There we go, and let's see if it works. So let's go to the camera, and over here let's choose storage management. Over here let's switch to SD card. In my case it says SD card status error. If that's your case, you might see the way to fix it. So in my case I have to format memory card, so let's tap over here, and also you should be able to turn on and off the storage, so make sure that this option is actually enabled, and we can format the SD card over here. So let's do this, let's press OK, and let's wait for the card to be formatted. There we go, now the SD card status is good, so we should be able to use the memory card. Keep in mind that in the future, if you want to take out the memory card, if you want to eject it, we need to unmount it first. So you want to go to the storage menu over here, and you want to unmount the SD card, and then you can take it out by turning off the camera once again, of course. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!